Meaning of greyness.
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 Greyness. Greyness refers to a state or quality of being neither black nor white, but instead somewhere in between. It is often used to describe situations or concepts that are unclear, vague, or lacking in distinction. To say something has a sense of greyness is to imply that it is difficult to understand or categorize definitively. This term can be applied to a wide variety of contexts, such as moral or ethical issues, artistic expressions, or even the weather. The concept of greyness emphasizes the complexity and nuance present in the world around us.